This is our second video. We're going to be cooking a Japanese type of rice, chicken rice. If you're familiar with Benihana, that's the type of rice we're going to be starting. We just put a chicken breast on the grill. We're going to cook that. I have some finely diced onions that I diced the other day, and I placed them in the freezer. That's a tip for you all. And they will heat up on the grill, nice and translucent. And we'll come back in a minute. So I've got about a half of a large onion diced. I think that should be plenty. And we lowered down the heat on that side of the grill to kind of let them cook slowly without scorching them, because as I said in the previous video, this griddle I should say, gets really hot. Our chicken is still doing pretty good. Getting the onions ready, and we'll be back soon. Happy grilling. Right now we are cutting up this chicken so that we can get it grilled for our, I don't know, what would you call it? Chicken hibachi style rice, Benihana style chicken rice.
Absolutely.
And we also bought this. Did you know that you can buy this from Benihana? It is the garlic butter that they have in their recipes. You can buy it right there at Benihana. That stuff is magic, addicting. It will make any recipe that calls for butter and garlic taste better. It's already infused. You can add as much or as little as you like. Make this recipe your own. We have our chicken going. We still have our onions that are starting to sweat and get translucent. It's nice and evening out here. Perfect for dinner. Now we are adding some of that Benihana garlic butter right on the chicken. Get that flavor infused. We'll be dicing them up pretty small soon. It's getting pretty dark out here. So we're adding some soy sauce. I hope you can see it well enough.
Just a dash of soy. We're going to put some more in a minute. We're going to transfer it back on the side that's not so hot.
We like them a little bit bigger diced than what they usually do at Benihana. And this is rice that has been pre-cooked. Cal Rose medium grain. I might be mistaken, but I've heard that Cal Rose is more of a sticky type, and that's what we're looking for. And we're going to be adding some garlic butter to that and some seasonings. everything is looking pretty good. It's already getting some color on it. Yeah, check that out.
I like to use a little bit of extra garlic butter on the rice. I kind of spread it out a little bit more. You hear the sizzle from the butter.
Looking good. I wish this had smell-o-vision for everyone out there. Smells like Benihana in my backyard. Adding a dash of salt. Some soy sauce. We'll be getting some lights out here soon, so hopefully our videos will have better lighting.
Transfer it back over here on this warming side. I'm going to add some eggs, and I think it's ready to go.
We have 2 eggs that we're just scrambling. Now we are going to combine everything and mix it up real good. I think it calls for more garlic butter. What do you think, viewers?
Absolutely. Can't go wrong with a little more garlic butter. Just a little dash right on top. And maybe extra little dash of soy sauce.
The grill is nice and hot, and as you can see, it completely turned, I would say, black from when we started this morning, the first video of breakfast. And I think that was pretty simple. Not too bad.
This is ready to go.
For a vegetarian dish, you can omit the chicken and add some vegan butter and your veggies. Omit the eggs and it'll still be delicious. This is enough to feed a crowd. Have your own Benihana at home. See you soon. We're almost out of daylight here, folks. But we're scooping in our Benihana rice.
I guess you call it hibachi chicken rice.
Hibachi chicken rice. Sorry about the lighting out here, folks. A little dark. And we'll see you soon. Thanks for stopping by. And here's the finished product. Copycat Benihana chicken and rice. Thanks for visiting, and please stop by for more recipes at savvyinthekitchen.com. See you next time.